Hello, guys,
Asanko.
welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a day in my life. Every day is different for everyone. I can't say this is my daily routine. There are days where I am lazy and sometimes super active. And today I'll show you how do I manage being a mother, being a homemaker, and working as a YouTuber. So keep watching. It's early morning right now, and my day begins after prayer. And then again, I sleep for some time and wake up at 8. I know it's pretty late, but that's okay. First thing I have in the morning is a glass of water. Drinking a glass of water may increase your energy level and increases red blood cells too. Drinking water in the morning on an empty stomach will clear all the waste from your body. And that's a dough for breakfast. Today's breakfast is patar and fish curry. Fish curry is leftover fish curry from yesterday night. And I serve breakfast to my husband first with a glass of black tea. Drinking black tea will help you to balance the energy and improves you to focus and reduces your drowsiness. Taha is still sleeping by the time I'll have my breakfast. Taha just woke up and I'll ask him to brush his teeth, and then I give him a glass of water before serving him our breakfast. And then I prepare any fruit juice. Today I'm preparing mango juice. And then my husband leaves to office. And now look at this. This happens every day. Before my husband leaves, he'll run out first. And then I'll move to cleaning part. Firstly, I fold clothes and then I put clothes for laundry. And then making our bed. I don't change sheets daily. Once in a week I change a bed sheet. Now moving on to the cooking. Today I'm going to prepare mutton curry, ghee rice and malai tikka with some salad. And heat a cooker with some coconut oil and then add curry leaves, chopped onion, salt and saute it well, and then add ginger garlic paste, again saute it, add tomatoes, I have already cleaned the mutton, and then add turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and then mix well. Add mutton pieces and then add little water. Close the lid, keep it in a high flame. After one whistle, make it low In a pan, take a desiccated coconut and roast it. Make it a fine paste, adding little water, and then add that coconut paste to a mutton gravy. Now the mutton is all cooked. I had kept it for 20 minutes in a low flame. Now mix it well, and if it is very thick, add little water. And now I'm adding red chili paste which I have prepared. Here my gravy is thick, so I'm adding little of hot water, and then add 2 green chili and squeeze half a lemon. Now my mutton curry is all ready. Moving on to the rice or ghee rice. I am preparing ghee rice in Kenwood rice cooker, which prevents the rice from sticking to the bottom, and it gives wonderful aroma. I use farm ghee, the best ghee I have ever tried in Saudi. Once the ghee is hot, I have already added spices and sliced onion, and then adding water with salt and let it boil. Close the lid. Once the water is boiled, I'm adding rice. When your rice is cooked, it moves to a warm button. It does its job automatic. You don't have to check whether it's cooked or not. It's very easy to make. Your ghee rice is perfect. Now switch it off. Always pluff up with a fork. Take a bowl, add mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix it well, and then squeeze a lemon, half tablespoon of cardamom powder, mozzarella cheese. Mix all together, and then add chicken. I am frying it in air fryer. If you all want more spice, you can add pepper powder. I am frying in air fryer because this saves my time. Not only that, it helps to reduce the amount of oil you would typically use during frying, and it's healthier than frying in oil. It's Philips brand. And also you can marinate the chicken and keep it for 1 hour. Now here is a huge mess. I asked him to keep his toys by himself. He loves coloring. By the time I'll clean up the kitchen, and then I'll give him a shower. And I always give him a bath before having lunch because it balances the body temperature. After having lunch, I ask him to sleep. Now it's me time. I just sit and relax. Sometimes I too sleep with him. Taha just woke up and I spent some quality time with him, which is very important. When Taha is busy playing with his dad, I'll move on to the kitchen to prepare dinner. That's the batter for dinner. Look at the consistency, it's not too runny. Take a pan, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add sliced onion and saute it well. And then add rice batter and close the lid. Keep it in a low flame. After 10 minutes, flip it. This is the result. In Malayalam, we call it as kaltappa. After having dinner, I just clean up the sink as soon as possible. And before sleeping, make sure your kitchen is all clean. He doesn't want to brush his teeth. He denies, but I don't allow him to sleep without brushing his teeth. I tell him a short story to divert his mind. After brushing his teeth, I put him for sleep. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. And please do subscribe my channel, press a bell icon and give a thumbs up if you all liked it.